Hey, here we are. Another car park, another Sunday, another supermarket. Susie's run in to get some groceries. I've topped up the tank. We had like a quarter. Yeah, this is our first road trip without Truffle. So it's going to be interesting, a bit sad. Gizzy's probably not so sad because she gets the whole van to herself now. So yeah, it's a bit sad. We'll see. It'd be interesting. I just spotted an apple tree in the car park. Free food from a supermarket. Who'd have thought it? I'm gonna have to go and check out that apple tree, see how big the apples are. See you. Right. Well, there's the apple tree. Might have to come back when they're a bit bigger. Also have to figure out how to get in there to get some. But yeah, look at one's racing. Crikey.
Please don't let me die, Lord, in this one-horse town. Ain't no point me being here if she's not coming round. One road in and out and a single traffic light. I'll keep on walking till I reach that county line. No backward glances or second chances, I've nowhere left to go.
So after a near 3-hour trip, we arrived at our planned camp up at Cromford Mill, a nice quiet setback area from the main car parks, and then we took a short walk into the village for some food.
So we finally got to our park up. Susie's not too happy. The pub stopped serving food 5 minutes ago and we haven't eaten. So we're going to walk down the street to a hotel because apparently their bar is open till 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock for pizza. Good day, son. What else? Hell's Angels have just arrived.
Just so the kitchen closes.
Okay, so the kitchen closes at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get some food, but the pint will take the edge off. If it doesn't, we'll have to cook something back at the van. We'll have to eat the cat. Well, we haven't been defeated on our first night on our northern tour. We've got fish and chips. Good morning, campers. We are at Cromford Mill on our way to discover the Peak District. So a beautiful little park up, £12 for 24 hours in the actual Cromford Mill heritage site. So lots to do, lots to see. There's a canal, there's lots of activity over there. I went off and found the loos earlier on, which are open from 8 AM for all of you who don't want to do your business in the van. And yeah, there was a church right behind us. We're going to have a look at that. That was a private family chapel at one point. So yeah, should be a good day. Catch you later. While Susie makes the coffee. Oh my god, our van looks like a bomb's hit it. It's Gizzy. Oh my god, it is when you look at it through the camera. What's up, Gizzy? You miss Truffle? You miss Truffle? No, you don't miss him, do you? You don't miss Truffle, do you? Got your own little spot. Been awake all night. Now she's going to sleep all day. Yeah, talking about you. 3 o'clock in the morning, picking holes in the carpet. Yep, that's you.
So around 1789, the mills were demolished to make way for Sir Richard Arkwright's chapel, which later became the church that is right behind the little parking spot. So in 1792 the building was unfinished and it was his son Richard who finished the building, and it opened in 1797 for public worship. And right across the road is the start to the canal. We'll take a 2-mile boat trip a little later on in the video, and you can come along for the ride.
Just give them their first experience of kayaking, I guess. So we've been defeated looking for food at Cromford Mill because it's a bank holiday Monday. So what you got? A bacon and sausage bap for breakfast.
It's not even fresh bap either.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's alright.
We'll find a pub car park to have a pub meal at some point. Yeah, location's alright though, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Well, we are not doing very well today. We couldn't find anywhere to eat because it was bank holiday and everywhere's just serving bacon baps and buns, and Cromford Mill is absolutely packed because it's bank holiday and they've got so much going on. We missed the guided tour, so we're going to try for the self-guided audio tour, and we'll let you know how we get on. Okay, so the audio tours are not very loud, but there are information boards everywhere. Long story short, before Sir Richard Arkwright came to Cromford to build his cotton mills, previously this was home to lead smelting mills from about 1575, and later they were converted to produce calamine for brass making, and then they became Cromford cotton mills. So he put a lot of money into bringing the cotton industry to this area. So 3 trips into the village, finally had some success and bought some alcohol for tonight.
That wasn't really what I wanted.
We went there to get frying oil so that we can cook some chicken tonight. But there we go. It's the 3rd trip into the village and we had some success at last in Arkwright's general store. This is a how video. Where did the roots go? Well, there you go. Where there's a will, there's a way. There's roots in there. So, here we are, about to go on that canal boat. And we're off. 2 miles an hour.
Yes.
On this beautiful old canal boat. I'll show you the rest of it outside. Bit late. Looking forward to it. Put your seatbelt on?
No.
Welcome aboard Birdswood and welcome to the Cromford Canal. We hope you all enjoy your trip along the first mile of this historic 14.5-mile canal.
If you enjoyed our video, please consider subscribing. It costs you absolutely nothing. Hit that like button. Also costs you absolutely nothing. Next week we are heading up to Mam Tor for a free park up and some fantastic scenery, a bit of hiking. Hope to see you there. Cheers, guys.